Alright, do it. Go.
Hey guys, today we're chugging soda and seeing if we burp.
We're gonna try not to burp.
We're gonna try not to burp. You know that one video of the girl in the car? She's like, my tummy hurts. That's gonna be us. Okay, you go first.
We have to go at the same time.
Oh, okay.
I'm scared.
Hawk 1, Hawk 2. On 3. Hawk 1, 2, 3.
It burns. Oh, my eyes are watering. It burns. Keep going. Oh my God. It burns. Mama, it burned.
Okay, that wasn't that bad. It burnt.
I'm not even
Chug
done.
it more, chug it.
Are you done? I can't chug it.
Mama, it burned. Oh. It burned. I wish I would.
Oh,
burn.
Mama.
That wasn't actually even that bad.
Mama.
Oh, yeah, damn.
Mama, that hurt! Mama, that burnt.
Are you done? No.
I don't
Gotta
feel
chug it
good.
better. Drink it!
I can't.
You have to!
So-
You have to. You have to. Or Reg will
Mama,
touch you.
that wasn't nice. I almost peed my pants.
Drink it!
I actually almost just peed
Drink
my
it.
pants.
Drink it.
I feel it in my throat.
I feel it coming up my throat.
I'm gonna pee my pants if I burp
Drink it.
again. If I burp
Drink
again, I'm
it.
gonna pee my pants.
Good. Drink it. Drink it all!
Mama! That didn't feel good.
Drink it.
Mama.
Mama.
I'm gonna pee myself. I'm not even joking.
Why does it take you that long?
Because it burned.
Don't do your left.
It don't feel good. Do you want it? Finish it off.
You're gonna burp.
Finish this.
No, I don't want it.
Finish
You
it.
have to finish it.
Mama, I can't.
You have to finish it, Mama. Finish it.
What
No,
just
finish it
came
now.
out of my mouth earlier? I was literally laughing burps. You have to finish it if you don't want to.
You have to. Faster. How are you not done yet?
I'm done, Mama.
Mama, more milk.
Mama, more milk. Mama, more
Can
milk.
I have another one?
No.
Why?
I already told you to drink.
Can I have a club soda?
No.
Oh man.
Did you hear that?
was just a normal burp.
But it hurt.
What if I punch you in the stomach? Do you think you
Don't do that. I'll probably throw up.
Okay, I'm gonna end it.
Wait.
Burp on purpose.
I can't. I don't know how. Let me try and push it on my stomach. Mama! Mama, get out of me. It's not coming, Mama, but I feel them.
Well, like. She made a funny noise.
I can't burp. It just makes weird throat burps.
That was on purpose. You gotta do it on
The
purpose.
freak.
You guys know there's lots more pizza left, right?
Yes,
That's not how you burp.
I don't know how.
No, I'm doing it on purpose now. The first one wasn't on purpose.
Mama, I don't feel good. I don't feel good. I can't do this now.